Hi everyone, I'm Ridwan, and today we'll be talking about how to import datasets into the Power BI, clean the dataset, and do some transformation on the dataset. So we'll check for the data quality, the quality of each of the columns. Then we'll rename some of the columns, change some of the data type, and do some cleaning. So when when we click on this drop down to get data, it shows a drop down, and from here we can select any of these means to get the data into the Power BI. So we'll be using a CSV file. So I'll click on the text stroke CSV. Then we'll click on the data set. Then open. So we can either load the data set straight away or we'll transform the data set. But we'll be loading it straight away. So load. And here's the data set. So we can now go to the Power Query editor and do some transformation. We can do that by either clicking this straight away or clicking the drop down. So if we click the drop down, you see other things there. We can then click transform data. So here we'll be, first thing we'll be doing is to check for the quality of each of the columns. So by coming to view, then column quantity, column quality, we check this box. So you can see each of the columns has a valid 100% valid data. The data set is very clean, and that's why we're having that. So that done, then we can now change, we can now rename one of the column or any column we feel like we are not satisfied with the name. So we can come and rename this segment as the customer segment. We can either do it by double clicking this column, the name, the title, can either double click it or we come here and click the rename button. Then we type the new name I want, then click enter, and there we have it. Then another thing we can do is change the quality of the data type we have. For sales, we can see it is showing that when we click on this 1.2, then we can see this drop down and it's showing that it's a decimal number, but we want it to be a fixed decimal number. So click on this and we'll do the same for the profit as well. So we'll click on this figure and come down to this. Now we have those. Then we can then come to the home ribbon and close and apply our changes. Then we can now come to the data view and table view here and do some other transformation as well. So we want to ensure that the sales is showing a currency in front of it and the profit is also showing currency in front of it. So we can do it, we can do this through three ways. We can either come here and click this drop down and click the currency, and we'll see that the currency is not showing in front of them. Or we can also do it by coming here and clicking this currency logo, this dollar logo, dollar sign, or we can also come here and click this drop down and look for the US dollar. Well, do it fast. We can just click on this and here we have it. So from there we can then continue to do whatever other data, building of visuals and the likes. So thank you.